I'm driving it all the way down till Pune. So I'm gonna show you to the entire nation. Byc.
Alright, so we have a silver Creta with us. And the plan is to wrap it, and to wrap it in satin black. We have to paint the alloys in gloss black and delete the chrome all around. It's gonna be a black on black car.
इधर थे काम कर रहे थे गाड़ी का, वो रैप वाली गाड़ी है, अब इसको रैप कर रहे हैं। अभी लगेंगे 4-5 दिन लगेंगे, इसके लाई भी करने हैं, पेंट हैंडल पेंट करने हैं। बस जैसे रैपिंग लग जाती है उसके बाद फिटिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं साथ में। आधी कर दिए, सेट कर दिए, सेट करनी है, अभी सेट से शुरू कर रहे हैं।
Alright, so this car was repainted at a point of time and the paint job is not so good. The top layer is peeling and it is peeling really bad. So whatever defects are there on the body are going to show up after the wrap, and they're going to show up even more than what they were showing before. So this is an example. This is how it looks right now. They're pretty difficult to see with bare eyes, but once we wrap it, you're going to see it even more. Imperfections that we can see on the wrap, and because of this, applying wrap is also very difficult because once you paste it and then remove it, it's going to take the top layer off along. Day 5, the wrap is almost done on the body. Just 2 bumpers are left and assembling the whole car. That's gonna happen by tomorrow. Alright, so the Creta is now fully wrapped in satin black, and we blacked out the alloys, the handles and everything that was not in black. The only problem is it is raining right now.
Hi. Well, this is my first car. Since I bought it, I've always wanted a kind of aggressive look on it, and this idea, like, I came across it someplace and I thought no place else better than Byc to get this thing done. And you guys did a really good job. Oh, I'm driving it all the way down till Pune. Wow. So I'm gonna show you to the entire nation. Byc. Go Byc.
Thank you.